Hey guys, I'm coming back with another repotting, and this one is of my snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue, whatever you want to call it, taken out of a tin can. These are the ones that came with them from Aldi's, and I keep these. I'm going to be putting her in here because I feel like it is time for her to be into something a little bit bigger. So I'm going to clean this out really good, and then I'm going to come back and repot her. Alright guys, so fortunately this pot has drain controls, and it comes with a tray like this, and these are the best because when you water them, the water goes in there, which is the excess that the plant doesn't need. So just like I do with all the other plants, you just kind of roll it around in your hand like so, and you see all the roots and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to put a touch of this down here and a little bit of water, and then I'm going to stick her in there like so, and then I'm going to build around her with more soil. I'm trying to do these videos where I don't have to speed them up and I don't have to edit. So I'm letting you watch it in real time. Let's see if we're going to need all this. Letting you watch it in real time. Let's see. No editing. I know in a minute I'm going to have to separate this, and she's not going to be able to stay on my, okay. And she is. And I like to kind of do this to make sure it's not too packed when they're a little bit bigger. But she has so many. Look at these little leaves. So many. So yeah, she's definitely ready for a little bit bigger pot. That pot was small, and that was the original one she came in from Aldi's. So I'm going to place her back over the sink. Let's see how she looks. Right here. Yeah, I think that looks much better. Yep. So that's where she's going to stay.